To disassemble iPhone 8 Plus, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers, opening plastic tool, and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I leave link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Take a screwdriver Pentalobe 0.8 mm and unscrew the two screws near charging port. Take a hairdryer and heat display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Next, fix the section cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Take a plastic mediator and try to separate the display from the iPhone. If you cannot separate using a mediator, you can take a plastic card. Open the display to the right side like a book. Unscrew 4 screws and remove the metal panel. I also recommend using a magnetic mat when disassembling the iPhone 8 Plus, and lay out screws in the order of the disassembly process, because all screws are different size and it's enough just to get confused during assembly. Disconnect the battery cable from the iPhone motherboard. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Now you can disconnect 3 cables of display from the motherboard. To replace the speaker on iPhone 8 Plus, you need to unscrew 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Next, disconnect the cable from the mainboard and peel off the case from the speaker. Remove 3 screws from the speaker. Now you can remove and replace the main speaker. In the description under the video I leave link where you can buy a new speaker for iPhone 8 Plus. Install the speaker and fasten 3 screws. Set cable and connect to the mainboard. Install the metal panel and fasten 3 screws. the smartphone assembled, and now you can test the speaker before final assembly on the iPhone. To check functionality of all smartphone function, it is enough to connect 3 cables from the display module and then the battery cable. Turn over the display, turn on the iPhone and check how iPhone works before final assembly. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Take the medicine alcohol and wipe the case. Also wipe the display case. Now, begin to restore the water resistance of the iPhone 8 Plus. For this, take a waterproof adhesive tape. A link to this adhesive tape you can find in the description under the video. First, connect 3 cables of the display module to the iPhone 8 Plus motherboard and only then connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten all screws. Turn over the display and press it all the way around the perimeter of the iPhone display. Fasten the last 2 screws near the charging port and install the SIM card tray. Turn on iPhone 8 Plus and use the smartphone.